Jeff, what are you doing? Hey! What's this do? Click, 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 click. Yay! Ah, Jeff, chill, relax. We gotta go back. Go back where? Back to the future, aka MooseRoleplays lab. Oh, okay. Let's go after you, Jeff. Hey, yeah! Jeff! Oh, breakfast. Welcome to the day of MooseRoleplays. This looks bad. What are you? Oh, it's eating bedrock. How's that possible? It's eating bedrock. Oh, that's what's gonna happen. Okay, my bad. That was not good. Oh, no. Like you need a dictionary? Oh, no. Jeff? Oh, it's getting closer. It's getting closer. The daycare is probably going to be gone very, very soon, honestly. And the MooseRoleplays laboratory is already gone. And now, we're in the middle of nowhere. The world's gone. And we can't get back to the daycare, okay, because we don't have a time traveling machine, so we're in a bad position, guys. Well, welcome to another day of daycare. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back, man. It's good to be back, bro. It's always good to be back, because we out here making daily Minecraft daycare videos. So hit that subscribe button and slap that bell for some more daycare videos. So let's see what Jeff the Moose and others are up to in today's daycare, man. Maybe there's something interesting going on. Maybe Psycho's back, or maybe. Wait a minute. Maybe Jeff is a potato. I'm sorry, I'm not sure where that came from. All right, let's go. Yeah! We spoke first. Awesome. Wait, what's that? That's Jeff's. Oh, nope. Gotta go. I saw her over there. I saw her. She's crazy. Look at her right there. Look at her just smiling and all, acting like she's so innocent. Where'd she go? Oh, snap. Good. Gotta hide. Hey! Oh, no. Okay, if we hide here, we should be fine. MooseCraft. She's smelling things. This is Officer Potatoes. MooseCraft is currently not in here at all. He's not in daycare, so Officer Potatoes will transfer the message over to MooseCraft. What am I doing? Okay, just go over here. Okay, perfecto, and we're good. Awesome. Okay. All right, just give it a second. We're gonna go right over here. Better get back inside then. Okay, yes, it's working. Yes, Musina's walking back inside. Yes, it's finally working. I'm so happy. Yay! Oh, look, she's walking around. She's right there. Hey, lady! Oh, Jeff the Moose is mad. Need you to test this. What's going on? Hey, what? Testing what? I feel like Jeff's working on. What? What is Jeff working on? Is Jeff doing something? Okay. All right. We're just gonna do one of these real quick. No! Get the moose man! Wait, what? Well, hold up. Hey, wait a minute! Whoa! Are you talking behind my back? Whoa! The moose mac ain't coming today! Whoa! Hold yo mooses! Yo! I heard somebody said my name without telling me. Do you guys talk behind my back? That's not real friends, you know. I didn't know you were there. Oh, is that what it is? How you too, Jeff? Talking to me. Where's your name? Copyrighted. What are you? Actually, just so you know, for your information, MooseCraft is copyrighted. Anyway, so what is going on with you guys? We have stuff to talk about. Jeff, oh, my bad. Moosina, it's not you. It's me. I'm not interested. We already broke up. Try hard. Listen, I'm not interested in this, okay? I'm not interested in a relationship, you know? Like I talked to you last time before you went crazy and trapped me in a cage and I somehow actually escaped, which I was very terrified about. I'm not interested, so there's nothing to talk about. Get in that tank now! I don't want to do it. I'm so scared sometimes. She just screams at me randomly and I just get really scared. Hey. I don't care what it does. Just get in. Okay. Do I have to? Is he gonna kill me? Jeff! What is this? Hey, why'd you hesitate to say what it does? That ain't ready yet. Jeff, what are you doing? Why do I feel like Moosina didn't test it? Don't care. Get in. No, I'm not getting in. Back off. I'm a professional boxer, okay? You know, you taekwondo skills won't work on me. Loki, just get in. just hit me? No, I protected myself from you trying to kill me and force me to do things that I don't want. Like trapping me in the cage. Alright, so anyways. Wait, where'd she go? Wait, what? Hello? Yo, that was pretty legit. That was pretty cool. Okay, Jeff, you want me to go in there? Is that what it is? You want me to go in there? Yeah. Okay, alright. Hi! So, in 10 seconds. Wait, what do you mean 10 seconds? What happens? Hi, Musita! How you doing? You know, I didn't really mean that. I was just kidding. But you kind of do scare me sometimes. You get like that really feisty look like you're going to kill somebody. Like, probably kill me. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's Minecraft. Alright. Anyway, so. Jeff, what are you doing? Hold this. We can talk about this. Wait, what am I holding? What is going on? Why am I in here? Why? This is a terrible idea. You know what? You better hurry this up before I have second choices and stuff. What is this? Raw flesh? Spider eye? Why give me this stuff? I can't eat that. Answer this first. And what am I answering? Huh? What is this stuff? Ew. Ew. Ugh. Ah, stop. It gets worse. What is this? Why? You trying to feed me to a dragon or something, man? Do you want to be with me? No, Musina! For the last time, I'm not into Rosanto. We broke up. Fine. I am trying this machine to help you understand each other. Wait up, Jeff! I want... Close it! Why are you supporting him? Max power! Oh my god! Am I gonna die? No! Jeff! Why would you do this to me? Jeff! No, Jeff! Jeff! Don't you dare! No, Jeff! Why would you do this to me? No! Oh my god! Oh, what happened to me? Oh my god! Why am I a different color? This ain't good. Where is he? Wait, can they not hear me? Lucina! Jeff! Hello? Why can they not hear me? What? I look like a ghost. This went too far. What are they talking about? Wait, why am I a ghost? Is this a costume? Wait, is this paint? Hold on. Wait, why am I creating mode 2? What the heck? No, I swear. Wait, what is going on in here? Oh, it's not coming out. Okay, so apparently I can't turn back into a regular human for some reason. I don't know this because you forced me, Musina. Wait. Hold on, what is going on? Ooh, I can fly. You know what? I can get used to this. Pretty cool. Wait a minute. So, if I'm a ghost... Hold on. If I'm a ghost, that means I gotta stay invisible. Ooh, I'm a spooky ghost. Nobody can see me. I see God. I need that young moolah. What is going on over here? Ooh, I'm a spooky ghost. You can have my cookies, but not my moose. I can walk on the air. This is so awesome. Oh, and there goes Musina. What is going on here? Are they talking about me, but they can't hear me? That's pretty cool. I like being a ghost. I'm gonna be a ghost that can go through walls. Ready? Hey, yeah! Ow! Up my face. That does not work. Okay. He's not there. Where you go? Wait, what if I have an idea. Hold on. If I'm a spooky ghost, they can't see what I'm doing, right? So what if I do one of these? Ooh. You do this! Look, they're confused. Got him. They're confused. Wait, so apparently, does it mean I'm dead? You break my machine more? What? Wait, hold on. Am I dead? I don't want to be dead. I don't want to be a spooky ghost forever. Oh, he's got to be able to fix this, right? Oh, no, this is not good. I'm floating in the air. This is so cool. How did this happen? Wait, Jeff still got creative mode, but he can't see me. How about I do one of these? He can't see me. Oh, this is so cool. Yo, I got a better idea. Ready? Check this out. Well, since I turned me into a spooky ghost, how about I troll them? Get in, Musina. Oh, wait, messed it up. Where's the retest the machine? Oh, my bad. What's that? Hey! You know what? So cool. Bro, they can't see me. I can do whatever I want. I control them at any time. Why did you press? It's blaming Musina. So they think that I'm dead probably. I think, oh my God, that's what it is. They're probably trying to like clone me or something, and they ended up killing me permanently. Well, not really killing me because it's Minecraft, you don't die at all. But it turned me into a spooky ghost, and I know one can see me. It's kind of cool. Pretty cool life. Yo, I got an idea. Nothing. I have a really good idea. Yo, how about this? How about I spawn some gas? Okay. All right. Here we go. Ready? And then I'll put down some creepers and stuff. Yo, and some cobwebs. I'll scare them a little bit. Yes. Ready? All over the place. Whoa. Didn't don't know. Oh. Yo, I'll put Moose on the ground. So they'll be like, what happened? Is Moose back? Back up! Oh, snap. Look at all the moose milk. It's going everywhere. The moose milk goes everywhere. Unlimited moose milk. Yes! How is this? Whoa, spooky ghost. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Dude, every ghost can communicate through like really weird echo communication. It's a new type of communication. Let me show you. Oh, spooky ghost. Ah! It's working. What the? Yo, it's actually working, bro. Noob, is that you, Moose? This is not Moose. This is Spooky Moose. You'll kill me, eat your fingers, and stuff like that. Yeah. Can I echo myself? Echo! Hit the gas now! Jeff, you are definitely not a scientist. I'll tell you that. How you doing this? I'm a spooky ghost. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on right now, but I'm very confused myself. So anyways, I'm going to keep on showing them. Hey! Wait, I have a better idea. Creepers. Yes. Yes. Creepers everywhere. And better yet, yo, let's spawn a wither. Spawn a wither, dude. Summon wither. Oh, they ain't ready for this. They thought they could stop Moose. No. You guys turn me into a ghost. That's right, Jay. You and Lucina turned me into a ghost. So I'm gonna stay a ghost and you spooky dance. And now Lucina, we're not together. You know what I'm gonna That's what I thought. Yeah, I told those two. I told those two what I was talking about. Yo, I have a better idea. Hold on. What if I... Yes. Yes. Hold on. Saw us talking this before. Got an idea. Got a really good idea. Yo, hold on. Actions. Aggressive. Go! Attack! Fight on! Oh, wait. Hold on. Better idea. Spooky Moose Minion. Oh, hold on. Yo, we'll change the picture a little bit. I'll do like a spooky thing. Wait, a polar bear. Yes. Attack. Yes, it's working. Oh wait, because it doesn't die, we'll give him like 2,000 health or something. Yeah. Awesome. This is bad. Yo, you know what? I'll make him have explosives and stuff. And he'll be like, he'll drop some crazy things. Yeah, this is perfect. Exactly what I want. And then we'll do like this kind of stuff here. And then we'll do like super good accuracy. Perfect. That's how it's done. Spooky Moose to the rescue. Wait, let's actually increase his health a little bit. I like it. Yay! Go, Spooky Moose, attack! Oh, not really doing much. I was gonna do a little bit more. You know what? We gotta make Spooky Moose even more powerful than before. We're gonna make him into a snowman. Oh, it's pretty ugly. Oh yeah. He's so strong. Haha. Oh man. If you're there, you have to stop. I'm never gonna stop. You guys don't goof. Y'all don't goof. Wait, if I'm a spooky ghost. I wish the live Moose was here. Yes, it worked so well. Awesome. Okay, so Spooky Moose Man, I need you to do some crazy things. How about this? I got an idea. Let's give you TNT, okay? All right, buddy. There we go. And let's put this right over here. And as soon as I give this to you, you're probably gonna blow everything else up. Enjoy! Whoa, snap! Yes! Spooky Moose Minion! Awesome! You know what? Being a ghost is not too bad. Except the fact that no one can see you and you can't really acknowledge your stuff. But yeah, I need you live, Moose. I know you hear me. I missed that one. That's what I thought. Everybody misses MooseCraft if he's gone. Yay! Oh, he's flying away. Go, Spooky Moose Man! Go! Take them all out! Show the winner who's boss! Oh my god, you are destroying everything possible. You know what? I think I took this a little bit too far. Is there like a way I can like reverse this process? I have an idea. I have a command that I can use. I call this delete. Yay! And then one of this. Huh. That worked pretty well. So, wait, what if I get out of game mode 0? There we go. And then what if I drink a ton of moose milk? Awesome. Bruh! Jeff! Do you see me, buddy? Is there... Hi, Jeff! What's up, buddy? Look how this fucking goes! Oh, you can't see me. Oh, it's not good. Hey, what's up, buddy? It was you! Jeff, if I could facepalm in Minecraft, I'd do it right now. And let me tell you, I even said it was me. Moose, is that you? Yeah, it's me. I'm a spooky ghost. Because this guy, this little coconut head over here, he turned me into a spooky ghost, thinking that he could clone me. Jeff, you causing a lot of problems. You know that. You cause a lot of problems. Stop! Stop what? Huh? Stop what? What am I stopping, Jeff? You mean stop? Stop that! Being a moose? I'm never gonna stop being a moose because I'm the best one ever. Yeah. So, Jeff, is that like a way to reverse this? I'm sorry I did this to you. Yeah, honestly, it was pretty cool. It was a lot of fun. So, yeah, it was pretty cool. I like that. No, it was a good experience. All right, so you didn't deserve this. Yeah, I know. So, how do you reverse this? Is it like not like a process to reverse this, or I'm gonna be like a spooky ghost forever? You can like throw me in. Oh, I destroyed that. I forgot. Yeah. You are done, dummy. Well, not really, because it seems like Lucia's pretty mad. So, you gotta fight her, bro. Just saying, man. Do you want a date? Oh my God, I told you for the last time, I'm not interested. Oh, gosh. Have fun, you two. I'm out of here, man. I'm tired of this stuff. Okay, so anyways, I leave. Kill him! Oh my God! There's no trying to kill me. What is wrong with these people? I'm so scared. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Subscribe and tap the bell to help me become, well, not a ghost. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! And follow my social media and my Twitter and my Instagram. That is MooseCraft. Shameless plug. Yeah!